Boston is kind of the impact we're really watching today, is it not?
Yeah, that's kind of like ground zero of sorts. And the snow is really coming down, as you can see on that live image and also here on the radar as well. It's also cold here across the coastline. Atlantic City 25, New York 19, Boston 22. Then you get inland, and we're talking about single digits. Albany is currently at 5. You factor in the wind. It's making it feel much colder than it really is outside. And also the wind is going to be problematic later on today once the snow starts to pile up, because that's going to lead to near whiteout conditions for us. You can see in Nantucket, we currently have a sustained wind of 43 miles per hour and a gust up to 54. There are some of us up here along the eastern Massachusetts that could potentially see wind gusts as high as 70 as we get later on into the afternoon. Winter weather alerts continue for more than 50 million of us from the Carolinas up into Maine. About 11 million of us are under blizzard warnings. New York and Philadelphia, you are under a winter storm warning, and you can see just how much real estate this system is taking up. It's taking up real estate from Maine all the way down into the Carolinas. We're going to see it begin to dry out from south to north. And guys, we're not going to see it end in Boston until after midnight.
Oh, that's a long time to deal with this. Tyler Malden, thank you. So let's go to New Jersey now. Tyler was just telling us about 12 inches of snow there overnight. They're expected to get up to 18. Governor Phil Murphy has declared a state of emergency here, so he says he's hoping for the best, but is without question, quote, preparing for the worst.
Let's head over to CNN's Brian Todd. He's live for us in Atlantic City. And Brian, earlier this morning, you were out on the boardwalk. Things looked intense there. They look even worse where you are now. The snow, as Christy said before, when we were looking at pictures of Boston moving sideways. What is it like out there?
Right. Boris, I can tell you it's getting more dangerous just to stand out here. As you mentioned, it's blowing sideways. It is getting more intense. The snow is getting heavier. This is about a 4 or 5 foot tall snowdrift. I'm going to try to kind of navigate over it here. It was not made by plowing. It was made by just snow flying and accumulating here. I got to the other side of it. I'm going to try to come back to the other side now just to give you an idea of the natural buildup of snow. This is blocking a driveway into a hotel area here. This is South Carolina Avenue. Visibility here, as you can see, is almost nothing. And this is what we're told by city officials is especially dangerous now. In addition to the surface hazards on the roads, this has just been plowed. But we are getting word from city officials that people are venturing out and getting stuck this morning. They are imploring people, do not do that. As you can see, it's hard for me just to stand out here and walk. Even my speech is affected when I get hit with a snowburst at certain times. Another update I can give you as we go down this way on South Carolina Avenue is that Route 40, one of the main arteries of the city, we're told by a city official a short time ago, has been shut down due to flooding. Because of, again, just high tides pushing water inland, big accumulations of snow, and heavy winds, again, pushing the water from the high tides inland. High tide was about 3 hours ago, but again, flooding from that high tide is affecting a main artery into and out of the city, Route 40, so they're diverting traffic to the Atlantic City Expressway. So you can see here, Boris, again, visibility horrible out here. And just the snow drifts, the snow bursts, you cannot see maybe more than a block away from us here. And we do see the occasional person walking or driving. That is really dangerous at this point.